Okay, we're going to cold start two vehicles. It's about 8 below out here. Neither one of them has been running in a while, and they're both just going to be sitting here getting cold. So we're just going to see which one starts. This is a 1999 Dodge Dakota V6. This is a 1997 GMC 1500 V8. That's the 99 Dakota. And we're going to see about the Chevy over here. Hold on a sec, we'll shut this off. Okay, we're going to check out the Chevy here. Get this thing to stay up. Okay. Alright, that's about as fair as you can get. Neither one's been started. They're both just been sitting here getting cold. They got snowed on. So now you see which one starts, which one doesn't in the cold. I guess both of them start. But now you be the judge.